Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. أو تقولوا لو أنا أنزل علينا الكتاب لكنا أهدى منهم فقد جاءكم بينة من ربكم وهدى ورحمة فمن أظلم ممن كذب بآيات الله وصدف عنه سنجزي الذين يصدفون عن آياتنا سوء العذاب بما كانوا يصدفون. Translation: or lest you say, if the book was revealed on us, then surely we had been better guided than they. Now when there has come to you the clear verses or signs from your Rabb, and a guidance and mercy, then who is more unjust than one who denies the verses of Allah and turns away from them? We shall award them awfully severe punishment for averting away. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that the Arabs could not say that we did not get the book and only the prior groups, the Jews and Christians, got the book and we did not get the guidance, and we were unaware of what they used to read. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that they could also make other excuses, like mentioning the Jews and Christians, that they were the people who got the book and who got the guidance. And if we had the book or we had gotten the guidance, we would have done better than what they did. So now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you the better book than them, the book that will stay forever, the book that will not have any change in it. So let's see who acts on the book and who does what. Now that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given a book that is clear and bayan, that has absolutely no doubt in it. If somebody denies the verses of Quran or somebody tries to avert other people from Quran, who could be more unjust and bigger transgressor than this person? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the clear guidance, the clear commandments in Quran, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the absolute rahmah and beneficence, the absolute mercy and guidance in the form of Quran. So nobody has any reason to argue that the previous nations were given the guidance and rahmah and we were not given. So after revelation of Quran to mankind, these excuses are not valid anymore. And if somebody has received these verses and they are still denying them, or they are trying to avert other people from the verses of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they are the most unjust, they are the biggest transgressor, and these are the people who deserve awfully severe punishment for their averting away other people. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, help us believe in Quran, read, recite, understand, act, and pass it to other people. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu